Hi students, good morning all of you and welcome back our online class Science 8th standard. Students, today we are going to continue our fourth chapter. Okay students, so in previous classes already we have discussed about that what are the physical properties and chemical properties of metals and non-metals. Yes, but today we are going to discuss about that what are the uses of metals and non-metals. Okay students, so first of all we will discuss which cases we are using. In the metals we are using in the different cases already you have known, and a variety of things we are making by the metals. Suppose our household things, utensils, our furnitures, house made things, whatever machines, different variety of items we are making by the metals. So let us discuss about that. First of all, what are the uses or what we are using by the metals. Okay, so now see students, uses of metals. First one thing, copper and aluminium metals are used to make electrical wiring. Students, in every houses now current is there, electricity is there. You have seen that some red color and a black color or a different colors are there, whites are there. That inside that cover is the plastic, but inside one copper wire is there or aluminium wire is there. Why? Because copper and aluminium are the good conductor of electricity. So this aluminium or the copper metals we are using for the making the electric wire. Okay. Next, copper, aluminium and iron are used to make household utensils, tools, machines and equipments. Friends, not only aluminium coppers we are using for the making wires, electrical wire. Also we are using to making the house equipments, household utensils like, and so many machines, whatever that metals machines are there making by that. Suppose your bike machines, how it is made of? It is made by the iron, so it is also made by the metals. Okay, if suppose so many whatever that machines items are there, we are making by the metals. Your fan, it is made by the metals. Okay, so many things, our house utensils, plates, glass, all the things are made by the aluminium or the made by the iron or the steel like that. Okay, so almost all the household equipments, furnitures and machines are made by the metals like aluminium, iron, copper. Next, mercury is used in the thermometer as it is good conductor of heat and does not stick to the glass. Already I have told, in the clinical thermometer or that thermometers inside it, one liquid is using, fluid we are using. What is that? That is one not liquid, that is actually metal. Yes or no? So mercury is a metal which are in the form of liquid. So and that's why we are using in the thermometer, and also it does not stick to that glass. Which glass inside we are using, that it does not touch or it does not stick attached to that glass. And also why we are using this mercury in that thermometer? Because mercury is a good conductor of heat. Okay, so that's why we are using mercury in the thermometer. Metals like gold, silver, platinum are used to make jewelries. You have seen that, friends. Our parents or the mother or the father, we are using that what? Jewelries. Why? What is that made by? It is made by the gold, silver. Why we are making that our ornaments like jewelries by that gold and silver? Because these metals are noble metals, like means it does not react with does not react or does not take that reactions. Okay, does not react with that but oxygens or the waters. Okay, so that's why we are using this a very costliest metals, and that's why we are using as a ornaments and by the jewelries. Okay students, so silver or gold, that we are platinum, we are using as a jewelry. Okay, because it does not touch that rust, it does not react with other things. Okay, that's why we are using these metals as a jewelry. Magnesium is used for fireworks and it burns with a dazzling white lights. You have seen that whenever your iron that fireworks shop are there, that one lightning like, one dazzling like that one, whenever the just holding they will make they are jointing that two irons. At that time they will make that is the using of the magnesium wiring. Okay. Aluminum foils are used to pack up food and medicines. Students, you have seen that aluminum foil in that our ladu in that Ganesh Puja time you have seen that that upon white color paper is made up covered. Why? What is that? That is made by aluminum foil. Okay. And also we are using that medicine strip. Medicine strip also medicines are covered by that packed by the aluminum foil. Okay. Whenever that you are cover, you are removing that cover it was made by the aluminum foil. Sodium, titanium and zirconium are used atomic energy and space research. These are the high metallic substances and high reactive metals and that generally isotopes metals. So we are using in that our space center and for the energy atomic energy purpose we are using. Okay. So these are the generally uses of metals and so many varieties are there. Only few of things I have written on the board and you can collect from the other and you can write in your notebooks all those things. Okay students, thank you. Next we can go for that uses of non-metal. Students, oxygen, sulfur, nitrogen, so many things are there non-metals. Okay, so many ways we are using these non-metals. Okay, so first of all we will discuss about the oxygen. How it is helping to us, or in which cases this oxygen we are using. Okay students, first of all things we are taking the breathe, the respiration system we are using the oxygen. All the living organisms, either plants or animals, both they are using oxygen by their respiration system or their respiration. They are taking the oxygen from the environment. That is called as what? A continuous process. Without oxygen, nobody can live or they cannot survive their life. Any living organisms without oxygen they cannot survive their lives. Okay students, so we have to see that all combustions process need oxygen. Students, whenever we are burning, we are cooking or any things we are burning, all combustions without oxygen we cannot burn. Even the petrol if you keep without oxygen, if you keep that fire, it does not touch that fire because oxygen helps to burn. Okay, so it is very essential to the combustion. Oxygen is used to burn fossil fuel. Whatever that petrol, diesel, all anything are there, that is called as a fossil fuel. And that fossil fuels are burning. How? By the presence of oxygen. Without oxygen, that petrol also does not touch the fire. It helps to extraction of metals from their ores. Students, suppose iron, that bauxites, magnesites, this all we are getting that as a ores. But how we are getting this iron? We are free of state, we are not getting like a gold. But we are getting as a ores first. That ores means mixing the different types of metals and sands and that other items. But how we should separate them? By the one process is there. That process is called an extraction process. That what is that we are doing? By the extraction of metals from the ores, it helps oxygens. Whenever we are in the presence of oxygen, we are making heat. Then after it is melting, and then after it is separating the different metals. So it helps to extract the metals from their ores. Okay students, these are some examples of that uses of the oxygen non-metals. Second one we are discussing about the sulfur also as another one non-metal. It is used in many medicines as a germicides. So it is one germicide means that germs it will be killed, and we are using as a medicine. Different medicines are there that inside this sulfur we are using. It is also used in skin ointments as a antiseptic. Okay, it is whenever that your skin inside is some wounds or some pimples like that, something it will happen. Then if we are using also skin disease purposes also we are using what sulfur as a, because it is one antiseptic cream. Okay, antiseptic substances. It is used to make matchsticks, fireworks, and gunpowder. Students, we are using. You have seen that matchsticks on red color and brown color like that. Black color is there. That tip of the stick. What is that actually? It is made up by sulfur. Okay, phosphorus and sulfur. The white sticks are there. Sulfur, and this sulfurs, whenever we heat, little heat also, it will start to burn. And also fireworks. Fireworks also they are using that the sulfur, and gunpowder. That when a bullet they are making that gun, that bullet, that gunpowder also they are making. Okay, so these are the uses of by the sulfur as a non-metal. So okay students, thank you all of you. Other so many non-metals are there. We will discuss in the next video. Thank you. All the things you should write in your classwork and send me, students. You are not sending that all notes to me. Okay, thank you all of you.